So welcome to my YouTube channel guys, and today in this particular video I will talk about Fiverr affiliates. And what is Fiverr affiliates? Fiverr affiliates means you will promote other freelancers gig and you will get commission. How you can do this? Let's suppose you promote some affiliate gig to some person or some other network, like you promote some gig. So after that, whenever the user will buy particular services from your affiliate link, you will get commission. Very simple. So here in Fiverr affiliates, you will require no skills, you will not be a freelancer. You will give freelancing services to other person as an affiliate marketer, and you will get commission. Amazing. So how you can do this? This is very simple method. Just go to the Fiverr affiliates website, and definitely within 5 minutes you can create your Fiverr affiliates account. Very simple. And the website where you are going to promote your affiliate links in this video, that website gets 1 billion traffic. Okay, so here we will see the traffic of that website is 1 billion, total visits 1 billion, and we will see the traffic where the traffic comes from 41.61% from United States, so the tier 1 country. So that is super amazing. So definitely this is the free traffic, and you can get thousands of dollars sales within a week if you apply this method step by step. So here in this video I will talk about each and everything in this video, that how you can do this. If you are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe this channel. Go to my channel and check the playlist Fiverr affiliates. So I have made many videos about Fiverr affiliates. If you are stuck how to do this, go and check the playlist of Fiverr affiliates in digital helping. So you will your mind will be clear that how to do affiliate marketing. This is so simple and so easy. So I don't think so. People says that this thing is too complicated, this thing is too complicated. I don't think so. This is nothing. This is absolutely nothing. Whenever you go to my playlist Fiverr affiliates, you can check the videos where I have shown my earning proofs, how I earned different dollars, $400, $600, $1,000, even $2,500, $4,100 within a week, within a month. So this is just I don't know why people make things so complicated. Affiliate marketing is so simple. There is no need to take hurdle. Just think about to create your account on any network like Fiverr affiliates. I will recommend Fiverr affiliate because Fiverr affiliates is the best choice for beginners. So if you are not doing blogging, so simply you will just need to create your account on Fiverr affiliates and start promoting your affiliate links. So you will require landing page, right? So the landing page you can create absolutely free with Google Sites. Okay, just go to the google.sites.com and you can create your free landing page within 5 to 10 minutes. So there is no rocket science in it. So I have shown you the traffic of that particular website. You can see 1 billion traffic, United States country. So first of all, we will check how you can create your account on Fiverr affiliates if you are new. But I will recommend to watch my playlist where I have discussed each and everything, how you can create your account, how you can get your payment method, how you can withdraw your money, and multiple methods I have discussed. But definitely if you are new, so I will tell you first name, last name, email address, username, password, confirm password. Account type, you will click over here and you will click on private, because you are individual, you are not company. So if you are company, you can select company. Do you have a main traffic source of do you have a main source of traffic? So you will click on yes. Okay, so your account will be approved immediately. Country, you will select your country, language English, Skype ID. Simply go to the skype.com and you can create your Skype ID within 3 to 4 minutes. That so first of all, we will go to the Pinterest website. Pinterest is a website, is a social website where people promote their pins, just like you promote your offers on Instagram, Facebook, or different platforms. So here Pinterest is the same social platform with 1 billion traffic. I have shown you, you can check by your own as well. Here I have just go to the Pinterest and easily create your account within 2 minutes with your Gmail ID, absolutely free. After that, if you are going to promote some affiliate offer, affiliate marketing offer, Fiverr affiliates offer, so definitely you will recommend a pin. What is the pin? Pin is just like this. These are the pins. For example, so here you can see Fiverr gig design, gig image, effective. So here people are promoting their own self and Fiverr affiliate links as well, right? But make sure whenever you promote your affiliate links, never ever try to put your affiliate link directly to any social or any platform. They will ban you. So you will require landing page. You will just put your landing page link on that particular website or social platform. You will never ever get banned. You can do this on Quora, you can do this on Pinterest, Instagram, or any platform with landing page link, not affiliate link. Your affiliate link will be in the landing page, so you are 100% safe. No platform will ban you, definitely. So here we will see that this person is creating this pin. We will select, I am just clicking over here, and how to make money with Fiverr in college. So he is creating some article or different thing. So you can see over here the website link. So you will put your landing page link over here, right? And you can create this type of pin. So let's suppose how you can create your pin. That is so absolutely free. Go to the canva.com, go to the section, and here you will write Pinterest, right? So here you, whenever you create write here Pinterest pin, so it will give you the free templates of Pinterest pin, right? After selecting some pin design or different angle, so definitely you will click the free one. Let's suppose you will click over here and you will simply added the picture. When you will simply added the picture, easily you can do this Fiverr affiliate marketing. You can create your eye-catchy pin over here just like this. So you can see over the people 50 effective Fiverr gifts to makes $1,000 monthly, right? So here you can see there are many people promoting affiliate links over here, right? Do this easily, and this is so simple and so easy. Here you can see design your Fiverr gig image. Let's suppose I'm going to click over here, and you can see the if I click over there it will redirect to that particular landing page, right? That particular landing page or that particular gig, right? So here you will go to the template, then you will simply edit the template with your according to your design. I will write best Fiverr graphic designer, let's suppose. So you will write like this, and you will put some eye-catchy images in the bottom or in the end. And whenever you do this, simply copy the pin template from here, and then simply go to your Pinterest account and then click over there. Here create pin idea, sorry. So I have just created this brand new account for tutorial purpose, I have my own account on Pinterest that gets thousands of traffic through my Pinterest account, right? So create you new, click over there, drag and drop your image from here, put the description, how you can put the description over there. Simply get the idea from your other person, that how they are doing this work. Let's suppose I will click over here, so you can see stunning Fiverr gig image. You can write this type of article, title. Let's suppose we will select more and more images over here, so we will get an idea that why these pins are appearing on the first page. So that will give us idea that we have to create that type of pin to get high rank on Pinterest. I am an amazing graphic designer. Okay, so this person is promoting itself, but we are not going to promote ourselves. We are promoting other freelancers. That is the beauty of affiliate marketing. We will not do anything. Okay. Okay, how to rank your gig in Fiverr. So this type of simple thing you can apply on your Fiverr affiliates, and simply you will put your landing page link in the description, in the title. You will create a title, how to rank your gig. So you can write, you can get amazing graphic designer, click here, right? You will get amazing SEO expert, click here, right? So whenever the person will click on your pin and click on your landing page link, they will redirect to your affiliate, from your affiliate link to that gig landing page, and whenever they buy a service, you will get commission, right? I have made a video on Pinterest, but I will create another video on Pinterest in second part, how you can do this. So we will research the keywords as well, and we will write the description as well, optimized description as well. So if I make this video you will get bored. You will get bored if this video will be longer than. So I will make a second part of this video to optimize your Pinterest pins. But I have shown you the one thing is Pinterest has 1 billion traffic. Number 2, how you can create on Canva, absolutely free. And number 3, you can simply promote your affiliate links on Pinterest to get high traffic. So hope this video will become a very helpful for you. I will definitely make a second part on it for optimizing the title, description, and how you can easily do this. So thank you very much to watch this video. I hope you will like this video as well. So make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, so I will make more videos about how to make money online and for Pinterest as well. Take care.